Thank you for your backing on Patreon.
Well, we're not going to be able to film getting this one off because we're right under it. We've moved 96 back onto blocks, which you won't be able to see. Don't do that. So we're now able to actually take this air dryer off and put the one that's out there on it, and then see if it then will purge rather than just building itself up to self-destruction. So this will be fun. So once we've done it, we'll get back to you and I'll show you what it looks like once we've got it on, because there's no point us trying to film this. But basically we're going to take off this air hose here, the one on this side here, and a bolt there, and a bolt there, and then the thing comes off. Then we put the other one on, put the air hoses back on, and then everything should be good. So that's in short what we're going to do, so let's have a go. This will also be full of water. So I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to nick the light. I really must get a second work light. Right.
Oh, you bastard. You pissed on me. No, it didn't. I moved just in time, I think.
Well, it means it should purge. Once it's built its air pressure up, it should purge all this water out of the floor.
Right. I'll throw that to you.
Wonderful. I'll insert it into this air hose on this side, towards the back.
I've not thought about this with where this water's just emptied out. Do I have to fucking lie?
There's a mat somewhere. Oh, there's a hoodie in the car. That's the other one.
This one will do.
Fucking hell! I'm getting cancelled here. Fucking coronavirus or what? Yeah, that's the point, guys. Coronavirus is going on and yet we're still here. Still putting the historic buses back on the road. I say back on the road, this is on the road. Apparently. Right, we don't need that bit of rough. Right.
I don't know where these balls are.
Hang on. Let's get the air lines in first.
Oh, yeah. A good idea.
Fucking hell.
There we go. Aye.
Let me just screw these up ever so slightly first, because then that'll hold it in place.
Yes.
Right. Do you want to do the nuts your side, bolts this side?
That's what I'd say, yeah. That's what
Copper slit first.
on the thread. Yes.
Otherwise we'll never be able to get the fucking cunt back off us.
There we are. I've literally just dipped it in the end. Is that too much? Or
No, that's right. You don't need any on the bolt if you've just because you've just caked this side in it.
Yeah, I know. I don't need any on the knot. I'll just find them there.
I'm trying to find the fucking hole.
You've always got that problem, haven't you?
Huh? I'd like a chance at the moment. I can't even. These the right fucking size. Hang on, where's the impact? Yeah, this is the concoction he's come up with. Watch out. You way out. You're bending the air hoses. Yeah, you're fucking way out there.
I can't even see. Oh no.
Does it come through?
Nope.
Where the fuck's it disappeared to? Oh, it's there.
Where's he? Oh.
Hang on. It's
I've not put any copper grease on this one. Is it sat too high, too low, or what? Can you see this bolt coming through?
No.
You wanna,
It's sat to what?
you're going to be here for a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to nip home. I'll be about 20 minutes.
Okay.
That one.
It's the airline
Yeah.
is holding it too far towards the front of the bus.
Oh, so.
Hang on. Push again. Right.
Are we in?
Yes.
Right, I've got no copper grease on that.
I've just given myself a fucking hand. You're doing that. You know, that's fine. We'll.
Right, so that one should just push straight in. You might just have to pivot up and down. Wherever you put it. No, it's the thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw him. Yeah, I'll throw you that GoPro before it gets cancelled. So.
That's pushed it down.
Where's the hole?
Fucking. Yeah, this is why you'll always see me, my hands are always cut to fucking shreds. Has that gone through?
No. Oh, there we are.
Put a fucking bolt on the end
No,
of it.
it's literally a tiny little bit through. Go on, just stack it. Go on. There you go. Only through. Why can't I get them? Oh, I'm showing wrong side.
You on?
Nope. I just can't get through it. It's red. Right, no, it's on. I don't know if it is.
You'll have to watch
Yeah, it might be. I don't think. Actually, no, it's not twisted. It shouldn't be anyway.
There's the sockets next to your head.
I love that. Still got a bolt in it, Jordan.
It's a minor detail.
It's a minor detail. There's nothing I can even speak out without breaking the boss. It's twisted in that other. That worked.
You on?
Yeah, I think I'm on there. Twisted it the right way. Go on. Oh, I think that's tight.
Right, do you want to take that bolt out?
Yeah. There you go. That's for you. Oh. That's for you. There's not as much on that one. I don't know where I've just put this. Look, oh, wash it up right
I
there.
can't even get my hand fucking through the hole to get to it.
Come here. Come here. Teamwork.
Hang on, I'll just stick it in the fucking end of this.
Not straightest. Right, go on, keep going. 1 minute. Again, I put the washer on, they're not on the wrong way. I've put the washer on this side, that's alright, innit?
I don't know what side it came.
Pretty sure it came off this side.
You know what? If this does not purge now, I'm gonna kill him.
Alright. Right, you need to screw through a bit more. Right, we're on. Let's go. And is that spinning?
No,
Right, that's tight, but
that's spinning, but it ain't going anywhere, is
that's
it?
fine. No, too tight. Right. Where's the big boy spanner?
There it is. Oh.
Cancel.
Yeah, that's the big thing.
Time.
You know this YouTube video is gonna make fucking hell.
So it's locked.
Yeah, normally just hand tight does the trick. That'll do. Right, now the tricky bastard.
Well, that'll be easier. This it's coming down.
I'll get onto it first.
I don't think the screw on, is it?
I think it is. I know, viewers, you can't see we can't see what we're doing, so you've got no chance. He's blinded by the light.
No. Oh, is that even going on now?
See if you can wangle that.
It just feels like a spin. I'm not screwing on. By hand. Even easier.
Mark said we'd need pipes.
Do
See it?
Alright. I think I'm just tightening up now.
That's how the airlines are supposed to be. People have said stop swearing in your videos,
Right. 1, 2, 3. Right, that'll do.
Right, let's start it up. See if it purges before it plugs the self-regulator off. With some varying degrees of intelligence. Blinded by the light. Fucking great in it, LED.
Oh,
You either can see, you can't see, or you're blinded by the cunting thing. Loads of shit in the way. I think that's off now.
that's mine. It's mine. Because it says just tighten back up. What's red? No, I can't even get it on.
No, you're on. It's spinning.
Yeah, no. I was on the edge of it. It's spinning. Ah, get shit in my face. Oh, is that another regulator there?
What?
Right there.
Yeah. I think that's the one before the compressor, so if it's not this one, I reckon it's that one.
But, and the other one, is it going to have that?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's got a full complete air system, that one.
Right, I'm off this end. Are you off that end?
Yeah. So, because that's the only one after it.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them. That's one after it. That's the one before it.
Yeah.
So it's more like one of these.
Yeah. So that's filling up.
Borrowed.
Borrowed. And the that gun with the charge battery. Yeah, you did.
Yeah. One fucking job.
Oh, we need another 15mm socket as well. Cheers, babe. You've got to keep him working on you.
Fucking as bad as but it's a perfect fit in it.
Yeah.
I mean, even if you can, don't let that work.
It's just going to twist anyway. Oh. Oh, you might be able to win here. Twist it again.
I've got to reposition the spanner. Oh, I had it then, I had
No, you
it.
didn't. You're on the wrong bit now, you've got it. No, that's just spinning it. Well, the thing is, if you knock it out, then we're not going to get the other one back in.
No, because we're... No, it is a very nice, fine fit.
Yeah. Right, either way, get the spanner on this end so we can loosen this off. Because we're going to need to do that anyway, aren't we?
What?
Loosen this side.
Yeah.
So we might as well do that while we're waiting for him. He's coming. No, we need the big spanner. To loosen the air pipe.
No, we don't. That air pipe will move.
Was it?
Yeah.
Right.
We only need to undo the...
It's-
Fucking hands are fucking covered.
Have you got the extension bar as well?
Jesus Christ. Yeah, that should be fine. You use that on that
Yeah,
side.
I'll
Give me
get
that
that.
15mm spanner.
Where is it? You put it there.
I've got it here. Has he brought the shit piece?
I don't even know if I'm going the right way. That's tightening, isn't it? That would help.
It's got arrows on it, for Christ's sake. Alright. That's not even spinning it.
It's 15mm. It's a different one that we used before.
Oh.
That's the 12 stud one. Not your one. We used your one before.
Why have you brought the 12 stud piece, you plonker? Have you brought another 15mm socket? There should be 2 of them in that set because you brought the wrong one.
There should be one in his toolbox as well. You shouldn't even know it needs to go in a set for the 15mm. Kids say.
Pillock.
You still recording?
Yeah.
You don't have a light on the front of it.
I turned it off. Where's that blue spanner? Right, that's off.
I have a nut. I need to get the washer and push. You got it?
Nearly.
Right.
It's a bit stuck. Right.
Spanner.
Hey, he's brought all the bits we need. Shit. What the fuck?
I'm so confused. Oh no, because you ducked it in, didn't you?
That's that gun. Okay.
It's unscrewing, it's not screwing out slowly. Sure.
Yeah, fuck off.
There you go.
Get it done for fuck's sake, man. Right, other side, same with that side.
Hold it. Don't need to. Oh, we need to crack it.
Yeah, we need to crack it. We don't have to undo it, we just have to... Where's that blue spanner? Have you got that blue
Here
spanner?
it is there. Oh, okay.
I think I'm on it.
Yeah, I think you are.
That should do it.
It almost felt like it was going to drop in my face then. So we just tightened. There we go. Oh, there's no sludge in the pipe.
Is there?
Yeah.
So it's been passing it.
Look, up in the pipe. No sludge in the pipe. So it might be.
You what?
He's just driven up.
Yeah, that's
Well, that's a shame.
fucking. What? You know,
That one's...
yeah, this. No, I can't do this with my hand.
No, wrong hand. Is that going on?
Looks like, yeah, it is. Right. Is it worth tightening this back up or is it tighten up?
The way it is, fuck's sake. What I'd do is just leave that loose for now.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
Must get some bigger spanners.
But you're not always going to use them though, so there's no point. You'll use them for the odd job here and there.
Yeah, but I like having my tools.
Fair enough.
I like having my tools so I know I've got the tools when I need them. I don't have to, like I've done today, go borrowing them.
Well, running around finding them and borrowing them. No.
Man, I didn't spot.
Yeah,
I didn't spot this toolbox in the van until afterwards.
leaving this loose.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we might have to take this valve off again until we know that this is definitely on. Just put that nut on the bolt, safe.
Which nut and bolt? Do we leave? Oh, it's up for the ball out, don't we?
Probably lay on it. Right, that's that done definitely. Guys, well, we've got it to blow off. We can't show you because it's got limited fuel in it. But then Pendleton had an idea of just draining the tanks just to make sure. Someone said the tanks were clear. I'm no expert in air brakes and air systems, but that should not be coming out of it. Currently,
Alright.
96 is having a
There you are.
it's having a turd on the floor. So we're going to leave them open till Sunday because I'm either here tomorrow or definitely here Sunday, and we'll shut them on that and then do another cycle. This time we'll try and show you the cycle because it'll only be me and we know what to expect this time. So yeah, that's part one of getting 96 back on the road. We got our work cut out for us. No one gave tell you there's a food ration on. Oh yeah, there is. He's eating a fucking pot noodle.